Changing your primary email on Synchrony Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Synchrony Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. By following these steps, you can successfully change your primary email on Synchrony Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.